Hi guys, my name is Dory. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about what I've been doing in isolation and of course what's coming. There's a lot of stuff coming. Alright, the first thing I want to talk to you about is I got back from New Zealand in the middle of March, something like that, and I came back the day before we were told to self-isolate if you're coming from another country. So because I flew from Christchurch to Sydney and then Sydney to Perth, I decided to self-isolate myself anyway, because I came in contact with quite a lot of international people. Luckily, I didn't get sick. I got my usual cold when I came off the plane, but I always get that. But I was still being really careful, and yeah, so I got home, 2 weeks isolation. And then when you kind of almost get used to it, then they started the real isolation and everyone had to go in lockdown. So that's me. Like I just had my 2 weeks done and then I was told to keep going. And yeah, while that happened, I made my first 2 videos on my New Zealand's 400-kilometer walk. So I did the Queen Charlotte track, the Trevor Sabine track, the Old Ghost Road track, the Heafy Trail, and the Abel Tasman Coastal track. So I've already done, I've only done one video, and the next one is coming out soon, hopefully in, let's say, start of next week, should be coming. And then I'm going to be posting a video every week. So I have 4 videos coming from the trails, and then I'm going to be doing gear videos and also tips and tricks. So I've been working on the website, and that's the main thing I've been doing in lockdown is kind of like a website for hiking and everything you need to know about like less popular trails. For example, the Sabine Circuit in Nelson Lakes, there's not a lot of information about it, and you need to really dig deep to find all the information about logistics, accommodation, etc., etc. So I've been kind of creating some content for that. For now, I've posted my website online, and I'm going to be focusing on videos again. So also, I nearly hit 100 subscribers, and I'm so happy. Like, it makes my day. Every single one of you, thank you. And please keep the support coming. It means a lot to me because I really want you guys to get value out of this. So also, if you have any suggestions, this is your channel. So if you need to know something about hiking, I'm very happy to make a video about it. Yeah, just let me know down in the comment below if you really think that I'm doing a good job and you want to see more. Please hit the like button and also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. But yeah, that's it for now. Thank you and good night.